Well, it's Thursday and it is pouring rain, and I'm getting ready to run off into court into the rain. But before I do that, I wanted to talk about an article that I put out yesterday regarding qualified immunity. And this is an important topic because I believe, after speaking with Drew Duffy from Salts Mongaluzzi, that these types of cases will become more and more prevalent as the years go on, given what we now have with cell phones, smartphones, and the ability to record. And it's brought up an important legal topic, which I touch on in that article. Is it time to end qualified immunity? In that blog article, which I'll link into this video, I explain what qualified immunity is and who it protects. It protects government workers, including police officers, and the ways around qualified immunity as it sits now. Now, typically, with a qualified immunity, if it's actually asserted as a defense, which I'm sure it will be in any case involving a government worker, including a police officer, there are things that the plaintiff has to show. The burden of proof is on the plaintiff. In that article, I detail that burden of proof and what the plaintiff needs to establish. Dealing strictly with qualified immunity, there is the burden to establish that there's a prior case on that issue, and if they can't do that, then we have possibly a Monell claim, and that is a case involving it's an employment case. It's an employment discrimination case, which the Supreme Court heard, but from that case has developed a legal tool that attorneys can use to break that qualified immunity protection against police officers and municipalities, and that is the means by which a lot of these lawsuits are moving forward. And in that Monet case, which I detail in that blog article, I explain what has to be done, where the plaintiff has to show there's some type of policy or a practice, whether it be a formal policy or an informal policy, or perhaps looking at that particular officer's training records or employment history, something to show that the department was aware of what was going on, and somehow, because they disregarded it, they in fact created this informal policy of accepting it. So that's the Monell type of situation, which Andrew Duffy explained during our podcast. But if you have questions about these issues, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gamblinglaw.com. As always, a great resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, tomorrow is Friday, coming out with our weekly e-update. I will put in that weekly e-update the article regarding qualified immunity. I expect to come out with some more articles on the issue because it's so important now, and we've received so many questions from our clients and our families about it. We've decided to take a further step and produce some real important content about it. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is raining. The weather is pretty bad. Please be safe driving on the roads. If you are headed out this weekend, please do so responsibly. Remember, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse a chemical test, but do not consent to the search of your property or your person. It will never help your criminal case. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Look for those articles on qualified immunity and police misconduct. Again, a very important issue, and I'll talk to you all soon.